So Twitch just released a new feature called Boost Your Stream, and what it does is it actually advertises your stream to other people and recommends your channel. Is this good? Is this bad? I'm gonna get into it right now. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Ray's Night Shift, where we talk about everything streaming related. Now, like the video if you end up enjoying this content. I do make this streaming content weekly, so subscribe to the channel. I think I got something that you'll like. Now, I consider myself a pretty level-headed person, and I don't overly hate this feature, but I don't overly love it either. But the one thing I truly disagree with is people paying to advertise the stream for you. I think if you're the content creator, it's your responsibility to pretty much grow your stream, and your audience shouldn't do it for you. If they want to subscribe or donate to your channel, that's one thing. But if they're putting in the work to grow the channel for you, I don't think that's cool at all. I think content creators should have the choice to promote their channel if they want to do it. I don't think they're going to find much value in it, and I'll tell you why in a bit. But essentially, it's my job to make sure this channel grows. It's my job to make sure the stream grows. It's my job to provide value. And nowhere in that equation do I expect the viewer to actually pay to do that for me. Now, maybe I'm weird or something, right? But I don't see this feature as the sky falling or anything like everyone else is making it out to be. You see, when you started your stream, you started your own little business. Now, on one hand, I say, look, you have a small business, right? And this is just a way to advertise your business so other people can come into your store, your shop, your stream, whatever you want to call it, right? In that sense, I'm totally cool if you want to throw away your money into all this advertisement. I mean, that's the way the business world works, right? So that's one aspect that I see it. But then the second aspect that I'm looking at are people yelling, oh my God, it's going to be pay to win, pay to win. No, it's not. You see, here's what people don't quite understand is that you can put out the most mediocre product out there, spend a bunch of advertisement, and it'll still sink. Look at Mixer. They spent all this money on these huge streamers to come over to their platform, and the ship still sunk. Why is that? Because the product just wasn't very good, and they spent all their money on advertisement. There was no plan. And the reason I know this is because YouTube has had this feature. You cannot pay yourself into winning on YouTube. It just doesn't happen. That is why all the big creators don't bother spending money on advertisements. I mean, the only way they're going to advertise something is if they're actually selling you a product, which is really what advertising should be for. So I think that argument of, oh, big streamers are going to be overly exposed, I doubt it. I know who XQC is, even though I've never watched his live stream. Is it because I don't like him? No, but he's such a big streamer that even I know who he is, and it doesn't matter whether he pays Twitch to pretty much blow up his stream and recommend it even more to me. I already know about him through his content, through what people talk about him, through all these other videos recommending his channel, all these things. Personally, I haven't given his stream a shot, but do I know about it? Yes. So why would he actually spend money to advertise his stream and blow it up even more? There's no reason for it. It's not going to help him out anymore. Everybody already knows who XQC is, and they're going to tune in if they want to tune in. I mean, let's be real. If you don't have the value and if you don't have any of the skills to keep you at the top, once you're out of money, you come plummeting straight down. So by all means, don't think about this as a discouragement where it's pay to win, because essentially it's up to you. So who do I think this feature's for? I'm going to say it's for someone who's pretty serious about their stream. They've been making the content. They've been making their stream as good as they can, right? And they're looking for a little bit of boost. Don't spend all your money on it, but by all means, if you get a loyal subscriber from a boost that's like $1, that was a good investment. So I think everyone needs to take a step back and understand that paying to win just isn't going to happen. Again, you need the skills, you need the value, you need the whole package for people to stick around. If not, it's just like when a big streamer raids a small streamer and they go up to 2,000 viewers, and then within an hour they're back to like 10. It's ridiculous. You cannot force people to pretty much subscribe to you. You have to be the entire package. If not, it's a big waste of time. So all this backlash of, oh my God, pay to win, I just don't see it. But you know what? I'm always open to different opinions. If you feel that I'm wrong, by all means, comment down below why I'm wrong, why this will actually ruin Twitch, why it's such a bad thing for the community, and I'm happy to listen. So if you enjoyed this video, by all means, like the video, comment any of your thoughts down below, and subscribe to the channel. I do make this streaming content weekly. And with that said, I hope you guys are enjoying your streams, and I will see you guys on the next one.